All right, people, we're here with several boxes.
Whoa! Oh.
What are you doing? Oh. What?
Pull it, Aaron!
My legs are breaking off.
Ow, ow, oh, sorry. Whoa! Oh, that looks like Is that not Lance's feet?
This?
One board, countless options.
Scooter, it's a scooter!
Scooter, combo set, transforms your deck in seconds.
Dude, that is actually a great idea.
I'm buying it.
Okay, this is actually the coolest thing that we've ever made a video with. I'm not gonna lie.
You gotta pull these out first, no?
Okay, Mr. Unprofessional Open Boxes, why don't you just open it?
Whoa! Whoa!
What in the?
Wow!
Wow. Hey Aaron and Braille team. Oh, and everyone watching, what's up? We've been skating since we were kids and are huge fans of what you guys do. We made this awesome deck called MorfBoard. It transforms in seconds from a skateboard to a bounce board to a scooter to a balance board. Thought you and your viewers would find it cool. There's also vids and more info at morphboard.com and our YouTube channel, which will be in the link in the description below.
Wait, but look at this drawing of you at the bottom.
Keep skating and killing it, Team Morph. And there I am, fully bearded, fully tail grab. That was only box one. Oh yeah, that's sick. That's really sturdy too.
Dude, scootering on a skateboard might be kind of fun. One of these days, Aaron's really gonna hurt one of us.
You think so?
Yeah.
What is this?
Morphboard, one board, countless options. This is like a small.
Whoa! Yeah.
Whoa, there's the balance aspect.
Big five.
Oh God.
See this? Ooh.
Oh,
wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, so good, beyond good.
These are easy.
Kick flip, tray flip, hard flip,
What?
hard
Wait,
flip,
really?
late flip.
No.
You can't actually, I mean, you shove it, man.
You can kick with it.
Okay, sorry.
Alright, Carlos, do a
guys.
kickflip. Do the first try, Carlos, kickflip. This is
First try. Let him
Oh, wait,
do it.
hold on, wait. Wait, what are these?
What are those?
Wait, where are the jumpies?
It's a ripstick!
All right, you gotta set up. One is the scooter, one is the skateboard.
Can you hold the
Missing
AK?
something.
AK? AK-47, help us out.
Twist.
That's your rapper name, AK.
Wow.
And this is
Bro, I'm gonna whip this first try.
Oh, shaka.
Right here and there. Just get that satisfaction.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow. Go ahead, whip it.
All right, let's go, Killian. How is it?
Yeah, feels good. It's a little, whatchamacallit. It's not as long as a normal skateboard, but it's like the same thing.
Wow. I mean, is it like tough though? Sturdy?
Oh yeah, no, this is not breaking. I mean, maybe if you do like a gnarly trick. Kick flip?
Better than your regular board, dude.
I don't want to get that. This is the new color.
Wow.
If somebody can see us, Gabe is fully cruising on Heelys while filming me riding a
Dude,
scooter.
I'm serious. Like, I might. Can you buy me some of these? I think it'll make my filming life easier.
Sure, for your birthday, I'll buy your Heelys.
All right, let's go, Luke. Wow.
Counts.
So this is called the MorfBoard. As you can see, it goes skateboard, scooter, balance board, and then another thing that has like inflatable tubes that we didn't get. But I was excited to do that, and it like bounces. So it also has that. So 4 different things. It's called the MorfBoard. And the thing that's cool is, you know, for kids that are learning, you can go from this to this, and you can get your practice. And you're also like riding it like that. So you're riding it like a skateboard, right? And then you get good at it there, and then you move to the skateboard and learn your tricks. So the idea with that is that people can learn how to skateboard, which is what we do here, right? Teach people how to skateboard on skateboards. First try. Second try.
How's it feel, dude?
Every trick has been first try so far. Dang, tray flip, first try.
Oh no!
MorfBoard primo. What in the?
Oh.
That was a slow play by
Oh.
play. I hit my knee and my shin. Whatever happens, just rub it out. I'm good. Try that again. Let's make it a redemption.
Down.
Whoa! Oh, wow.
Wow.
Very nice.
They're like doing freestyle tricks on the scooter. Might need to get that.
Wow. What?
He's all, yeah, it's not a big deal.
What was that?
That was cool. That's
You do a
what it
hard
was.
flip on it.
Oh
Yeah.
man, Fetty, why did you leave? Yeah, I can.
Okay, I got you. Board slide to balance board. Let's test it out.
Just board side dropping like down on it.
You can kind of balance board with the wheels. You just got to board slide really slow.
That's figured.
You went way too fast. Oh yeah, now balance, balance. Oh yeah. Oh, what? I mean, yeah, consider it a land.
Oh, no.
Do the rail, Luke.
Dude, he was that close to dying.
I know. You got it, Luke. Yeah, you're crushing it. Get his back, Luke.
Why is everything Luke does so funny?
I don't know. He's like a deer that just was born and he can't quite walk right, so he's kind of like fumbling everywhere. You got this, Luke. Come on, Luke, commit and go fast. Doing this.
Wow! Wow! The GOAT.
Thank you. All right, you want to skate the 3?
Just do it.
I'll scoot the 3.
You skate the 3, I'll skate the 3.
All right, I got you.
From where I was standing, it looked like he jumped and then nearly kicked you in the face. Like, wah! Right when my camera goes. Hit that again, Luke. What?
Was that close to your face?
Oh, no.
Do it again. That was really good.
Don't make sense. It doesn't make sense. He's good.
Dude, enhancing the filming game. Stop hating. Oh, God. Oh, no. What in the world? How did he do that?
One board, countless options.
Aaron! What are you doing today?
Is that okay?
Oh my God.
Let's try that again. You got this, Luke. You got this. We believe in you.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Wow. Just wow. Boom. Wow. Perfect manuals.
You are really good at that.
Ooh, I don't know if you can I don't know if you can shove it this one because it has the things on the side. Is it grippy? Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh!
Luke just pointed something out. This could be a trampoline skateboard as well.
Oh.
It's like I can get that part, I just can't land on it. Yeah. You know what, dude, that's as good as it's gonna get. I'm sorry guys, but
You got it? What was that? Thank you. And a huge thank you to MorfBoard for sending us this rad skateboard slash scooter slash balance board slash bouncy board slash trampoline board. One board, endless possibilities. So you guys can get this with the link in the description below. So go ahead and check it out and have some fun and learn to skateboard. You guys learn to skateboard. You will have tons of fun doing it. I'll see you there. You didn't think I was gonna catch that, did you?
No.
Ready?
Flip it again. You won't?
Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, brailleskateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.